Hello, I'm Professor Yi Zheng, the lead of Micro Nanoscale Energy Laboratory at the University of Rhode Island. My research background is in micro nanoscale thermal science and engineering. Since graduating with my PhD in mechanical engineering from Columbia University, I have specialized in doing research and teaching classical and small-scale heat transfer and thermomechanical properties. Currently, I'm designing nanosensors to improve the performance of PV cells. Due to my field of study, I often receive the question both professionally and personally. What is the best cold pack for healing strains and springs? To define best, we look at the optimal level of cold and the longevity. The optimal level of cold was found to be a range from 30 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. This range was chosen as it represents the average temperatures we found to be effective for cooling measure. We began our study by purchasing every cold pack found in major retailers, national drugstores, and sporting goods stores. While purchasing samples, we found various types of cold packs which utilize different materials and shapes and apply a consistent application of cold. To ensure accuracy and consistency across all tests, all samples were conducted in a room with a controlled temperature between 69 and 71 degrees Fahrenheit. Each sample was placed in the same freezer for 10 hours at -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Once removed from the freezer, the samples were placed on a wood table to reduce the possibility of heat transfer through conduction. Thermocouples were placed in the geometric center of each sample immediately after exiting the freezer, which provided a temperature reading every 15 minutes. Ultimately, we found the CryoMAX brand to be the longest-lasting cold pack. The CryoMAX median sample outperformed the average of the remaining samples by 88%. The CryoMAX Cold Pack remained at an optimal level of cold far beyond its competition. After thorough review, we found two factors to be significant influences on temperature and longevity: phase change and geometric properties. CryoMAX has modules that transition from liquid to frozen once placed in the freezer, while the channels remain liquid, absorbing any surrounding heat. These two factors most likely dictate why CryoMAX cold packs are able to provide longer lasting cold therapy.